Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G04 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint. First, open the settings. Then from settings list, select security and privacy, and now click on device unlock. Here you need to select face and fingerprint unlock. Select the backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. I will go with pattern. So just draw the pattern, re-enter it just to confirm, and we've got our pattern set. Now it's time for fingerprint. Just customize the notifications and mark fingerprint now. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button. So over here, just hold your phone and keep tapping till fingerprint is fully added. Click on done then, and that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been added. If you'll tap on the sensor, you will unlock your device smoothly. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.